Marhaban, Ana Safaa. Hi, I'm Safaa. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Safaa. In our 5 words a day series, today we are going to learn the interrogative words. Are you ready? Let's start. What? There are 2 ways to ask the question what. The first one, ma, and the second one, mada. Ma is used for questions without a verb, while mada is used when there is a verb in the question. Let's see an example. Ma lawn al kalam. What color is the pen? Let's repeat. Ma lawn al kalam. What color is the pen? As there is no verb in this question, we use ma. Let's see another example. Mada taf'al. What are you doing? In this sentence, there is a verb, fa'al, doing. So, we use mada. Let's repeat. Mada taf'al. What are you doing? The next one, who? Man. Let's repeat. Man. Who? Let's see an example. Man hada. Who is this? Let's repeat. Man hada. Who is this? The next one. Limada. Why? Let's repeat. Limada. Why? Let's see an example. Limada anta mutaakhir. Why are you late? For male. And limada anti mutaakhira. Why are you late? For female. Let's repeat. Limada anta mutaakhir. Why are you late? Limada anti mutaakhira. Why are you late? The next one. Aina. Where? Aina. Where? Let's see an example. Aina taskun. Where do you live? For male. And Aina taskunin. Where do you live? For female. Let's repeat. Aina taskun. Aina taskunin. Where do you live? Kaifa. How? Let's repeat. Kaifa. How? But when asking about the quantity or age or price, that is, how much or how many, we use the word kam. Let's repeat. Kaifa. How? Kam. How much or how many? Let's see an example. Kaifa haluka. How are you? To a male. When asking a female, we say Kaifa haluki. How are you? Let's repeat. Kaifa haluka. Kaifa haluki. Let's see another example. Kam umruka. How old are you? Here we are asking the age, so we say kam. Let's repeat. Kam umruka. How old are you? For male. And kam umruki. How old are you? For female. Let's have a small quiz. Let's try to translate. The first one. Mada taf'al. The second one. Aina kitabi. Let's see the answer. Mada taf'al. What are you doing? Let's repeat. Mada taf'al. What are you doing? The second one. Aina kitabi. Where is my book? Let's repeat. Aina kitabi. Where is my book? Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos. Wadan Araka Kariban. Goodbye. See you soon.